What if I told you that your brain can sense something from the Earth's magnetic field, or that you're more likely to be killed by a champagne cork than a spider? Sounds unbelievable, right? But hold on, because we're just getting started. Let's jump into these mind-blowing facts. Let's kick things off with our brain. Did you know that humans have a sixth sense? Yup, just like birds and sea turtles, we have the ability to detect Earth's magnetic field. But here's the catch. It's mostly unconscious. A study found that our brains can actually pick up on these magnetic fields, though we're not aware of it. Next up is a fact that might make you think twice at your next celebration. Statistically, more people die each year from accidents involving champagne corks than from spider bites. I mean, we're out here terrified of spiders, but it turns out the real danger is a flying cork at a New Year's Eve party. So, when you're popping that bubbly, aim away from the crowd. Next up, we've got a fact that will change the way you think about frogs. Unlike most animals, frogs don't drink water through their mouths. Instead, they absorb it through their skin. They have an area on their bellies called the drinking patch that allows them to soak up water directly from their environment. So when a frog is sitting in a pond, it's basically drinking without taking a single sip. Talk about efficient hydration. Did you know that the female praying mantis sometimes eats the male during or after mating? I know, it's intense. But there's actually a reason for this brutal behavior. When she eats him, it provides her with essential nutrients, which can help her lay more eggs. It's like a post-mating power snack. So, while it sounds gruesome, it's just nature's way of making sure the next generation of mantises has the best chance of survival. Still, I don't think you'll be hearing any love songs about this anytime soon. Now let's talk about teamwork. On a whole new level, some species of ants, like army ants, can link together to form living bridges with their bodies. These bridges allow other ants in the colony to cross over difficult terrain, like gaps between leaves or water streams. It's like building a highway made entirely out of ants. Next up is a fact that's both cute and prickly. Did you know that a group of porcupines is called a prickle? I mean, it makes total sense, right? With all those sharp quills, they definitely live up to their group name. How about a fact that will dazzle your imagination? Far beyond our solar system, about 40 light-years away, lies a planet called 55 Cancri e. What makes this planet special? It's believed to be made largely of diamond. That's right, a planet whose surface could be sparkling with more diamonds than you could ever dream of. Due to the planet's high carbon content and the immense pressures caused by its proximity to its sun, scientists believe that much of 55 Cancri e's surface could be made of solid diamond. Imagine an entire world glistening in space. While it's not exactly a place humans could visit anytime soon, it sure makes Earth's own diamonds seem a little less rare, doesn't it? Let's get personal for a second. Did you know there are more bacteria living in your mouth than there are people on the planet? Over 700 species to be exact. That's right, your mouth is home to billions of bacteria. This one is literally explosive. When a whale dies and its body decomposes, gas builds up inside, and if it's not released properly, the whale can explode. This happens more often than you'd think, especially with stranded whales. So if you ever find yourself near a beached whale, you might want to keep your distance. Now let's head over to Japan, where the small town of Naha in Okinawa has an odd claim to fame. It's got more vending machines than people. You can get everything from snacks to ramen to socks. Yeah, Japan's vending machines are on a whole other level. If you're ever there, it's like a scavenger hunt with a prize at every corner. Meet the Lampri, an ancient species of fish that's been around for 360 million years. This little creature can see light with its skin. Scientists believe this helps it navigate murky waters without needing to rely on its eyes. It's almost like a built-in night vision suit. Ever notice that distinct smell in the air before a rainstorm? That's called petrichor, and it's caused by bacteria in the soil. When rain hits the ground, it releases a chemical compound from this bacteria, creating that fresh, earthy smell we all associate with rain. Bacteria in the belly button, brace yourself. Your belly button is basically a bacteria haven. A 2012 study found over 2,000 species of bacteria living in our belly buttons, and some of them are new to science. Horses use facial expressions to communicate. Let's talk about horses for a second. Did you know they use facial expressions to communicate, just like humans? Horses can express fear, happiness, and other emotions by using their eyes, ears, and nostrils. And for something just as colorful as it sounds, a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Yes, it's as fancy as it sounds. I mean, could there be a more perfect name for a group of bright pink birds? Lastly, let's dig into something you probably didn't know about trees. They actually communicate with each other through an underground network of fungi, often called the wood wide web. Trees can share nutrients and even send warning signals through this vast network. And there you have it, 16 mind-blowing facts you never knew. If you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more facts that will blow your mind. Until next time, keep those curiosity engines running, because you never know what bizarre fact you'll learn next.